Shuvuha Lamshiha Maran Slama Amuhon, or peace be with you. The Aramaya or Suriyaya words Mar Walah mean my Maria or Lord and my Allah. The day on which the Aramaya or Suriyaya words were uttered, worshipping the risen Yeshua Shiha as the supreme, is observed as Aramaya or Suriyaya day. The day on which Thomas Liha proclaimed the risen Yeshua Shiha in the Aramaya language is observed as Aramaya or Suriyaya day. The day of the highest worship towards the risen Yeshua Shiha, the day of the testimony of Thomas Liha, the day of the high proclamation of faith in the Aramaya or Suriyaya language is observed as Aramaya or Suriyaya day. In Suriyaya, it is known as Yauma Dharamaya or Yauma the Suriyaya. The first day of the second week of Kemta or resurrection is observed as Aramaya or Suriyaya day. On the level of our Nasraya faith, this is the proper day to observe Aramaya or Suriyaya day. Let us observe this day in the model of the early Shlihaic or apostolic Etha or church, with faith, love and sharing. Marsliva Dera Benai Kemta Shuvuha Lamshiha Maran Slama Amuhon.